Hello everyone, Dr. Arsh is here, and today is a part 2 of how to slow down the aging using anti-aging supplement, as well as how to have more energy and reduce those fatigue that some of us facing every day. Today our topic is a little bit controversial, but however we have to tackle it, and it's about HGH. So if you don't know what HGH is, HGH is human growth hormone. It's produced by pituitary gland, and it starts to decrease after 20, and by 40, mid 40, early 50, it almost close to the zero, and by 60 there's no production anymore. So in this video I'm going to discuss about some of the amino acid which is not essential, means your body can produce. However, if you take it extra at a certain times, you can produce natural HGH. So first of all, how does HGH can help preventing aging and boosting up your metabolism and reduce your fatigue? HGH is a protein hormone. So we have steroidal hormone, we have protein-based hormone, and we have peptide hormone. So this is a protein-based hormone, and it's signaling the cells to activate certain part of the DNA within the cell, which help the cell to reproduce and replicate. So if there is a damage, if there's a crack within your bones, if there's a tear within your muscle or tendons, HGH help it to basically repair itself much faster. However, because of this ability that HGH has, so many people say that it can cause cancer, or if you have a cancer cell inside your body, it can increase it, which I already made a video regarding that, so don't forget to subscribe, which I will post it soon. However, if you go for the TRT and hormone replacement therapy, you may get something like this. And this is one type of HGH that use in these facilities. This is injectable HGH, and I will make a review about this specific product, which is a very high quality HGH in the future. Again, don't miss it. So, but if you don't want to go for injection, which come with all of those controversial and kind of negative beliefs that it can cause A, B, C, it can cause cancer, it can do this, it can do that, you can do something much easier, and you can take certain amino acids such as L-arginine and L-citrulline, or you can take both. However, there are two different amino acids that you can take with combination with L-arginine that acting synergistic and increase your HGH drastically, and those L-lysine and L-ornithine. So there are some tablets outside in the market that I will show at the end of this video, that basically they have all these three components and you can take it at night. So you must remember, this only can help your HGH production if you take it at night, because your HGH produce between 2 to 4, 5 every night. So if you take it during the day, it won't be effective. It has benefit in a different way. It can help recovery from the exercise and so on, but it doesn't have effect on the HGH production. Just one thing you must remember, L-citrulline is very acidic. So this amino acid, you cannot take it with the empty stomach. That's the downside of this, but the good side is it doesn't give you diarrhea. However, since you have to take this amino acid empty stomach, L-arginine, L-ornithine, and L-lysine are easily can be taken with the empty stomach, and you should take it 1 hour before sleep, I recommend. For my age, I take 2 gram. 2 gram of L-arginine, 300 milligram of L-lysine, and 250 milligram of ornithine. Sometimes 250 also okay. But the most important ingredient is the arginine. We should take it between 1.5 gram to 2 gram based on your tolerance, because if you take it high, you can get diarrhea. Again, these are not medical advice. This is for your own information, and you should do it based on your own research. So please don't forget to do that. So what does HGH do that it help you to stay young? One, it stimulates the cell regeneration. It stimulates the production of the collagen, therefore your skin, your joints, your backbone, your spine, and if you have a unfortunate bulging disc, it really helps it to kind of maintain and stabilize it. It maintains your muscle mass, your bone density, it boosts your metabolism and improve the healing and recovery from any kind of injury, and enhancing the sleep and energy recovery. So if you are on HGH, you will have a sleep of a 6-year-old, 8-year-old, and 9-year-old kid. So as you know, we age based on so many inflammation, reduce of HGH, testosterone, and so many other factors. It causes you to have a bad sleep. You keep waking up in the middle of the night. You cannot have a very smooth sleep. You cannot have a deep sleep. Due to aging, most of the people cannot have a smooth, long, deep sleep. But HGH, when you're on HGH, you will have a sleep of an 8-9-year-old kid. Therefore, in the morning, your body is already detoxified, you have more energy, and as well as I said, the metabolism goes higher. So now these are some of the brand that I recommend the supplement from them. For this specific amino acid, Now Sport is very good. 21st Century is very good, as well as certain product from the California Gold Nutrition also quite good. So you can use all of them, and I hope you get a good result from this. I hope this video was interesting for you. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time.